So you start by selecting the language that you're conversant with. I chose English. Click on Civil ID Update. Then I need to update my profile, so I'll go with the right one, update profile. Then now I have to enter or key in my Civil ID number, as you can see on the screen. Confirm, continue. Then the terms and conditions, I'll just click continue. Then this is my mobile number that I'm accepting here, that an OTP will be sent. Now, in my mobile here, I have to check the message that came in. So I'm having that message there with an OTP that I'm supposed to key in. Yeah, so confirm. Then I have to key in data regarding the information that I want to update on the profile. Okay. The reasons of dealing with an account is there as the first. So I key in salary and so forth and so forth. So you just have to key in each and every data that is required. Monthly income there, I have to key in, then click confirm. Then my income source obviously is from my salary. So I have to select it well, salary. Now my wealth source also is from my salary. So I have to select salary. Just to make sure that salary is selected. Then the wealth amount, I have to key in the wealth amount that I have. Then click confirm. Then automatically it has been updated just like that. Then I'll receive my text in my